guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to bring you an install we've done today. I've been quite eager to bring this one to you. Only reason being is due to the age of the car and what it is. It's an Audi A6 2008. A lot of these cars don't come with aux or AMI, but this one has today, which has made the job a hell of a lot easier. Pretty much me eager. This is all down to everyone requesting our MMI boxes to be working in this type of car. You simply don't. It's always 2010 onwards, so obviously this is why I want to bring this type of video to you. Customer's gone for the massive 12.3 inch screen today, as you can go a little bit smaller than this to 10.25. Big is not always best for everyone sometimes, so obviously if you want to go a little bit smaller, then obviously look on our website. This is our Android 12 system today, which comes with an 8-core processor. It's got the Snapdragon processor in, which you find in a lot of smartphones today. As you can see, the clock is on KMH. It's just that we haven't set it up. We will change it to KPH in a minute in the background settings. As you can see, this is the original screen which shows up on there. Now if you've got the red, I think they call it monochrome screen, which is obviously the basic dead small screen with red text and just LED, it's not going to fit that car, unfortunately. You do have to have this sort of interface. As you can see underneath here, it has some buttons down below. These are all reference to actually what's on the MFD display over here. But as you can see, there's a physical button here, which is obviously the one that opens the glove box. There you go. Let me shut that over. Okay, so all them buttons will work fine. If you want to go into the Android background, Android screen now, do one or two things. You can either hold down the touch screen, or you can hold down this return button here. So if I hold it in, switches over to the Android screen, which you can see here. This is all fully touchscreen. Touchscreens doesn't work on the original Audi screen. Don't expect it to do that. It doesn't work miracles, but it works in the Android side here. So as you can see, this is the home page here. It's basically designed on the menu system that you would find on the latest Audis today. When you buy brand new, you tend to have this sort of graphical interface here, so they've designed it to look as OEM possible. Here's navigation. So obviously if you want to download the new maps of choice like Waze, Google Maps, Copilot, Sigic, etc, you can download it and put it onto the home page here. If I was to press that one there, it's just going to basically show you one that the Chinese tend to put on there for you. We don't sell it with this type, but obviously just to give you a bit of an inkling how it looks. Music and video. Okay, so system comes with 2 USB cables. Obviously we can put it into the glove box today. It's where you can put your music and movies onto a pen drive and play it through one of these apps, just to show you how it looks. They should really have a demo video on, as far as I know. Let's see if it loads up. Here we go. So this is the demo video. Works with the steering wheel controls, as you can see. So that's the demo video on there. I'll just load the track down there just so you can hear me. So it's a full HD screen. As you can see, really good quality. So if I just go back to switch this off back to home. Okay, phone link tends to be the CarPlay, the Android Auto, which is built into the system. It's not logged in today. We haven't plugged it into our phone, wired it up to the phone on the wireless connection, so I'm not going to show you, but if you're quite familiar with our videos, you'll see quite a lot on there showing CarPlay. So that's where you get the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. This here, apologies in the banging in the background, we're just engineers just finishing off the job. So the phone here, you can have the Bluetooth side of things, so you can stream your music as well as take phone calls. Got full phone book support. Car info, which will take you back to the Audi screen. Obviously, as you know, the AC at the beginning of the video. Nice little weather app here, so obviously it shows you what. There you go. You can see that's where we are today. It is an internet-based application, this one, so you will need an internet connection to actually get your local weather. As you can see here, these little bars. We're just doing updates in the background, so obviously that's your internet connection. It does come with a 4G SIM card input on it, so obviously if you didn't want to go down the hotspot route, and you will be able to go down the SIM card. Okay, DVR. Just have your front facing camera if you wish. Dashboard, so obviously this should just put your foot down. As you can see that moving up and down there. You can change the colour of that if you wish, if you're having a green day or whatever. So let's go back here. File manager, so if you want to stick any third-party applications on there, so you can stick it on a USB pen like apps for the Android and upload it that way. Browser, it's just obviously self-explanatory. If you want to do a little bit of internet shopping at Iceboxauto, you can do. Okay, there's your applications. So this pretty much takes you into the back-end application center, which all your apps go into. Some of these are on the home page, which I showed you, but obviously if you were to download any applications from the built-in Play Store, which is here, and have a little look, that's to see we're just doing the updates there. just to show you what the updates. And there's your Play Store. As you can see, if you want to download that, the applications of choice, Netflix, YouTube, whatever you name it. Okay, so just as I say, a few little background applications there, and here's your back end settings, just in case you want to play around with anything on there if you're an avid Android user. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. So say if you've got any questions, give us a shout. We'll both put the link down below in the description. All our contact details will be in there too. And I hope you liked the video, and get in touch with us if you need us. Cheers, thanks a lot, bye bye.